Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, this officially website, so you can download the driver. Then after that you click on this search button, then then enter the model number of motherboard DDR4 and then hit enter Z690 AERO G DDR4 and then click on enter. Then click on the product. Click on the name of the title. Then click on the support. Then select the first audio driver. Select first operating system and all the operating system installations process same Windows 10 and 11. So first audio driver, USB. So first guys download one by one. After that I install, show you how to install. So audio driver and click to download. Then chipset. You can see when click to download, you can see it is start downloading. Chipset. So first require the serial driver. This is most important for chipset. Click to download icon. Then INF installer and click to download. LAN driver. Intel LAN driver for Ethernet driver, internet driver and click to download. VGA driver. The graphic card driver. VGA driver, display driver, graphic driver. You can see click to download. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Bluetooth driver. Click to download. And Wi-Fi driver and just click to download. So after that it is completed, then I show you how to install one by one. You just click to this icons. After that open where it is downloading. You can see. So this is your driver. Okay. So one by one, just extract first. So right click and show more. Extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it. Otherwise, you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete, it will open. So just close it. Then LAN driver. So right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location. Same close. Then chipset driver. Extract all. Same location. So one by one extract the all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install. Okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed. Then this LAN driver. Then LAN driver. Open one by one, download and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then okay. And then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay. This is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then okay. Then last one. And this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Okay. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next. and no and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.